Hi, my name is Grant Kramer, and I am a professor emeritus at the University of Nevada, Reno. This quiz is a multiple choice test. There are 5 possible answers. There's only one correct answer that satisfies the question. 1. Active cytokinin hormones that are natural are, the correct answer is E, none of the above. 2. Cytokinins stimulate growth by, and the correct answer is D, all of the above. A, promoting cell division. B, shuttling MIB3R4 to the nucleus. C, stimulating transcription of mitotic genes. 3. Cytokinins stimulate shoot growth, and the correct answer is A, inhibit root growth. 4. The receptors for cytokinins are part of a B, two-component signaling system. 5. Cytokinins are synthesized in the root tip and transported by, and the correct answer is A, mass flow in the xylem. In the next video, you will see the answers to this quiz. Have a great day.